Hello and welcome to Around the House. Today we're going to work on a Troy-Bilt Squall 208 XP, and the fuel tank is loose, so I'm going to see what's going on with that. So I'm going to have to remove this top cover, and I have a few bolts. I got one on this side, one on the opposite side. There's only one bolt in the back cover, a 3/8 wrench. Cover pulls down and it fits inside with these two tabs, and that's it. So let's go ahead and lift this up a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. So here's the fuel tank. And you can see it's loose, just shaking around in there. And let me disconnect the camera and see why that's doing that. It's like a bolt's broken off on here. So that would hold that up to this place here. And that's all plastic. Yep, that's even broken there. So very cheaply made for holding a fuel tank. I don't think I'd be able to just fix that with anything other than maybe a tie strap. Boy, well, that's not good. So I'll probably just go get some tie straps. It looks like there'd probably been some type of a plate, and with it being black plastic, it's hard to see, but you can see how this is broken right here. So I'm going to look into this little well, see if I can find some hardware. I doubt it, because this is all open down under here. So it probably just dropped out and landed in the driveway. Alright, so it's going to be a little difficult to see what I'm going to do. But basically I'm just going to get a nut with two washers and a bolt. And since this plastic is broken, I'm going to put a nut and washer on this side. And then I'm going to put the bolt washer on the other side to hold this bracket up in place. Then I'll tighten that up. Alright, so here I am with the bolt, the washer, holding this bracket, going through this little piece of plastic. If I can zoom in on that. And then the nut on the back side. And that's it. I'm going to put a little dab of glue on the thread so it doesn't back out. And we should be good to go. Alright. If you have any questions or would like to see any other type of videos, please write that down in the comments section. Alright, I'm going to put the rear cover back on. Just while I have this off, this is your choke, which is underneath. Your extension cord plugs in here for the electric start. This is your drain plug. And then this is where you fill and check your oil with the dipstick. It's kind of like an inconvenient place. You see when you put the cover on it, it hides all that. So don't forget to pull out your starter cord. And once you get it started, just want to tighten it up a little bit. You don't want to get it too tight. So all this is just plastic.